What up guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back with another video. I hope everybody had a good holiday weekend. But today we are talking the UiiSii BN90s, a pair of sport earphones. These are specifically designed with the neckband for those who are very active, running and hiking and doing all of the intense physical activity. These are meant for you. These are the UiiSii BN90s. These come in 3 colorways. This is the red version, but there is also black and white. Specs on these guys, Bluetooth 5.0. Now these have dual dynamic drivers, which will create that deep bass and give you that soft mid-tone and the clear highs. These are water resistant with an IPX5 water resistance rating. Now they are not waterproof, but you can work out, run in the rain, do what you gotta do. If you are working out, you can sweat as much as you want in these and you will be fine. Battery life on here is going to be really good, about 15 hours of playtime, and a 10-minute charge will get you about 2 hours of juice if you really need it, and up to 480 hours of standby time. So, and it's a full charge in 2.5 hours, so very good battery life on here. And again, this does have the neckband, which ensures a perfect combination of wearing comfort and stability, even in extreme sports situations. So really good. And the mic on here, the controls on here also control everything, which includes volume up and down, answering and ending phone calls, and next track, back to the previous track. All of the good stuff. We're gonna check it out. These come in at 59 bucks. I'll drop the link below. Again, this is the red colorway. They also come in black and white, but we'll get into it and we'll check it out. We'll do all the testing. Open this guy up. Take a look at the UiiSii BN90s. And again, these are specifically designed for people that are very active. So the packaging, we do get the UiiSii logo up here, BN90s, Bluetooth sport earphones with a picture and some line art, dope line art. I kind of like that. And it's very sharp, Bluetooth on the front, IPX5 on the front, the logo on the sides, and on the back just goes over all of the things we already talked about. So let's just jump into the box and we'll check them out. We'll do all the testing that we normally do. Let's see what else is in the box. These are the sport earphones. We also get some extra silicone tips for that perfect seal. And again, like the last video, I talked about how important these tips are. Very important to get that perfect seal. This is going to be the micro USB for charging. It is micro USB. And we also get in the box, what is this? This is a QC sticker for that quality control. And then we also have the user's manual. And we also get a nice carrying case, which I dig. It's a hard plastic shell, hard case. So I do like when companies throw a case in and you got a little pocket in here, a little sleeve, so you can fit all of the silicone tips as well as a charger. And then you could throw the neckband sport earphones right in here, the BN90s. We'll put this stuff to the side for now and we'll take a look at the BN90s. We'll pull this off. Again, this is going to be the neckband. In here, you're going to have a battery on each side, and it does have their logo or their name on the side. We pull these out. It does already come with 2 silicone tips on it. And again, you want that good seal so you can get that good sound. So to connect these, you're just gonna hit this button right here. This is your power on button, and it will start the pairing process. It will come up in your Bluetooth settings, and this will work on iOS and Android exactly the same. So we are all hooked up, and the fit on these is really good. So they're not going anywhere. And the neckband, I can barely feel it. It's light. You don't even notice that it's there. And it's actually very comfortable. This is the first time I've ever used a pair of earphones with the neckband. And I actually don't mind the neckband at all. It's very light. You don't even know that it's there. Let's just start the testing. We'll play some music. We'll check them out. So I gotta be honest, these things sound amazing. I'm shocked. I had no idea what to expect with a pair of earphones like this, and I am more than pleasantly surprised. These things sound amazing. The sound profile on here is just, I feel like it's perfect. The bass, you have that thump, but your mids are so clean and your highs They kind of stand out a little bit, but they're right there alongside the bass. The sound profile on here is perfect. I want to hear a little bit more. Seriously, these things sound amazing. I'm super impressed. And I was sleeping on these. I didn't know what to expect. And for 60 bucks, the sound alone, they're worth it. It's a good pickup. If you don't mind the neck band, if you don't mind, you know, the wires, this type, the style, if you're into sports, if you're active, if you're a runner, whatever it is, if you play sports, these might be for you. The sound profile on here is unbelievable. These things sound really good. And I'm crazy impressed. So let's just continue the testing. But right off the bat, the sound is very impressive. So let's do a mic test and we'll check out how the mic sounds. What's going on, guys? Mic test, the BN90s. Now, the sound on these guys are unbelievable. I'm hoping the mic sounds just as good. Next test, I'll show you the touch controls. Now, everything is controlled right here, and there is no in-ear detection, so I could just show you this way. But if we play some music, the middle button is your play and pause. So if we just hit it once, it pauses. If we hit it again, it plays. Your volume buttons, if you hit down, volume is going to go down. If we hit up, of course, your volume is going to go up. And if you want to go to the next track, you just hold, you press and hold, and it'll go to the next track. And if you want to go to the previous track, you just hold again. So very convenient. Touch controls work very well. And I can't stress enough how good these sound. I'm really super impressed by these. Next test, we are going to check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. So we'll go into YouTube, we'll play video. No delay whatsoever. These things sound great, and listening to content or music, whatever you want to listen to, because everything is crystal clear, the bass hits when you want it to hit, the highs are there, everything is just a smooth sound and it's perfect. I think this sound profile is specifically for somebody like me. These things sound amazing, whether you're listening to content or whether you're listening to music. The UiiSii BN90s, these things are a really good pickup if you are very active, if you like to run, if you like to play sports, and you want something that is secure and fits. If you work out in the gym, if you just want to hit the weights hard and not worry about anything moving or falling off, these might be a good pickup. The sound, you're going to like phase out. There's no ANC on here. It's not true noise cancellation, but because you get the silicone tips, that fit is going to give you that tight seal. It's going to give you a sense of noise cancellation already. And with the sound on here, you're not going to hear anything. There's not going to be any outside noise because these things are very loud and crystal clear. You're going to get immersed into whatever it is you're listening to. So the UiiSii, the BN90s, guys, 60 bucks. I'll drop the link below. It's a good pickup. Sound quality is a 10 out of 10. And the touch controls work very well. You know, it is the button on here, so it's going to work like it should. You're not going to have any issues with the controls. And it is Bluetooth 5.0. Battery life on here is going to be exceptional, really good. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. My one gripe would probably be the micro USB. But other than that, I'm just looking for something to pick on. But it's a good pickup. So the BN90s, check it out. I'll drop the link below, guys. Incredible sound. I'm blown away by it. And it might be my favorite pair sound-wise that I've tried. So check them out. The BN90s, I'll drop the link below. But that's it. I hope everybody just had a good holiday weekend. And we'll be back with more videos soon, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And that's it. The UiiSii BN90s, a pair of sport earphones, and I am really impressed by them. So that's it. We'll be back. Peace.